Hello YouTube, welcome to Pub Hub. In this video, we are going to know how to get 60 rupees off in Play Store. So stay connected, subscribe, and let's begin the video.
First of all, create Google account as much as you can. The more accounts, the better result. Now, open Play Store. Click on your profile icon, and now click on Offers and Notification. If you get it from the first or second account, you are very lucky. And if you don't, change the account and repeat the process. Even I don't got it after changing 3 different accounts. So keep changing.
Arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Let's go. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion.
Don't lose hope, buddy. You will get it if you want it. Just keep on trying.
So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
You will get it just like me.
Sometimes I
Hit
think
the
that I'm
red subscribe icon and get subscribed.
Yeah, I'm phenomenal. I got it.